What is up, guys? We were at a night meet. As you can see, this is the first time I've been to a night meet here in a while. I did some back in College Station, but we are doing a night video today, guys, at the Ihop right behind me. And there's a bunch of cars here, guys, so hopefully we can get a bunch of them in. And see me, I'm right here. But let's go ahead, make the rounds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, because this one's gonna be a good one. All right, guys. Ooh, we got a Viper coming in, boys. Little Hellcat. Yeah. Oh, we got some bikes coming in. There's a really nice Evo over there, guys. I'm probably gonna get that here in a minute. All right, guys, so you can see there's my ride right there, parked next to a couple other people, and we're gonna make the rounds here in just a second. But kind of want to just get a shot of this. This is the first time I'm filming on the night, guys, so let's see how it goes. I'm not sure. All right, guys, so we have a really nice classic Mustang over here. It's black with red stripes accenting. I mean, it looks pretty clean. And the whole interior is red. You can kind of see that there. That's a shot of the inside. That's pretty cool. And here's the back. Wow, look at that. Man. And then right next to it's another nice 2.3 turbo Mustang here. And we got a Charger, 392. And of course you gotta have the Raptor. Looking real clean. Got a little underglow on the Ford Focus ST. Check out the Honda. Got a little C6 Vet over here. Got another little Mustang coming in. That Smurf blue, what I call it. Got another little Honda Civic right here. And we got big hoes leaving. They're saying bye. We do have Charger over here, red. And looks like a Camaro's coming in this way. We got a nice Daytona orange Charger. A couple bikes. A little Pontiac GTO. Blue. Got your Challenger RT. Another little Mustang over here in the corner. And a couple more here around the corner. Mazda Speed 3. Got your Camaro SS Bumblebee yellow. Got the hood off, because that's how he roll. Hood off. You got another Charger over here. I'm digging the lights. I like the lights. Another Hellcat over here. Gray. A couple more Mopars. Challenger. And Charger. You got a nice little BMW coming in over here. Oh boys, I spot a matte black C7 Z06 over here with yellow calipers. A little hard to see it, but it's right here on the side. You can kind of see it here. That's real nice, real nice. And you got the Deadpool themed Camaro over here. Another one, two red ones on the side right there. And then there's that other one that parked finally on this side. And then you got another one over here. And then a black one. Oh guys, the Dodge Viper over here. Check that out. Huh, I like the sticker on there. Look at that. Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace. Alright guys, in the front here, there's this really clean bagged Evo. You can see it in the shot here. What in the world is that? A yellow Audi. So we got RC cars over here, man. He's trying to drift over here. Got another 350. What in the world is this, guys? Holy cow. He's trying to catch him. He's trying to catch him. Check it out, guys.
Also knew a guy that helped get it over. Paperwork, that sort of jazz. But I should have gone through one of like the major importers. I like your. You win. You want the RC car? I'll fucking. No trade. Well, I thought. Oh, you have a Buster. Yeah.
Got a nice 5.0 coming in. Alright guys, we got a little Too Fast, Too Furious Honda Civic over here. Coming in with the underglow, chrome wheels, spoiler. Look at that. Back in the day. Got a little Camaro coming in. Little Miata over there. This Z01 Camaro is loud as hell. Or SS, whatever it is, good lord. Little STI WRX. Another Mero. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the video. Tons of cars came out, and it was a good show. Night show, just a quick little Ihop meet on Saturday here. So hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and more videos will be coming. Stay tuned. All right, guys, peace.